Hey guys, Numa here. In this video, I want to show you how to remove the green screen from a YouTube subscribe button animation. Let's get right into the video. First, what I'm going to do is open OpenShot. So we're going to do this in OpenShot. Next, go find your subscribe button animation. I saved it right here. As you guys can see, anything. I'm gonna choose this one. 1 second. I'm gonna choose this one. Next, you drag it here, and then I'm gonna drag another video. I'm gonna drag another video in. Videos. Any video plays. Whichever video I want. So example for this one. Now, I'm gonna put it right here on the bottom. No, I'm gonna not choose this one. I'm gonna choose another one because it's too small. Maybe I'm gonna choose this one. I did this video today. Make sure you put it on the top. Next, what you have to do is press effects, and you make sure you press this chroma key. You press it and drag it into this, and you need to see a C in it. After you do that, press that, right click, and right click and properties. After you do that, press key color and pick screen color. In this, it's green. As you guys can see right here, it's green. So I need to pick green here. Make it brighter and press OK. After you do that, change this value to 100. Now let's play it. See, it's not showing in the screen. Before it was showing green screen, but now it's not. It's kind of slow because this thing is going slow. So yeah, but it'll go faster in yours. I just put it in slow. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.